My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volvo V40 D2 R design. This vehicle has done just under 46,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons just below, we can access our key features, which are navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and web browser. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.